Good morning, traders. It's Wednesday, July 1st at 4:15 a.m. All right, two stocks for you today. We've got Bloom Energy and then we've got MRVL. So let's go ahead and have a look. Largest trades in the last 30 days on Bloom. 2 million here at the bottom, right here, June 10th. And so we had this print. The next day we opened, tagged it, started moving up. And then here around June 17th, we have this consolidation of prints. We shot up 1 million at the top, couldn't hold. Tested it a few times, pulled back, and now we're trying again. So let's see. We got through all of these prints, and let's see if we can get up to this 345 and maybe make a new high. Otherwise, we can pull back potentially to these prints. Let's see what happens today. On the left-hand side, we've got my Persons, Pivots, and Camarilla Pivot Boss, and we will look for our intraday trade setups. We're going to be bullish above 335. Let's get above this cam right here. Target 340, 345.85 is this 1 million. Then we've got 350, 355.95 is R3, which is usually overbought. So let's see what happens. Then we've got 360, 365, 370, 380, 385, 45, which is R4. This one moves about $32 in a day. So that's what we're mapping out for. We're going to be bearish below 318.75. Let's get below this low. This is support here, this cam. And so target 314.57, 310.81, 308.11, and then we're getting into a whole bunch of prints. That's a 200 exponential moving average. So sitting here at 307, 306, and 305, that's what is it, 1.3 million sitting right here. And you can see that the post market, we had some of these prints, this 1 million yesterday, but on these two levels, but we came down, tagged it, shot up, and then it looks bullish there. So let's see, this can be support. This is a fair value gap right here. We probably come down to this level. Then we've got 304.83, 301, 300, and then 296.95 down here. Yeah, these are kind of squished. There's a lot of data there. 296.95 right here is the pivot, and so this is where I've stopped at the moment. That gives us close to this ATR, but this is massive support. So just mind this level here, and if you drop below, then you can stay in the trade. I would be taking profit here on my own. Let's go ahead and look at MRVL. So MRVL, largest prints in the last month. You can see here at the top, June 2nd, we're getting into this sandwich of prints. So there's a position that's being built here. So we've got prints pulled back to prints, tested prints, high here 1.2 million, back scooping up through. So this is a little bit, it looks a little bit weak, but anyway, increasing volume, breaking through some prints. We've pulled back to a print here. So if this is good, we start moving up through these, but really for a longer term swing, you want to be above this 330 level, and then we can pull back, and then we want to get below this low here, 250, for a swing on the short side. So there's room to make money intraday. It's we have some upside and downside targets. So let's go ahead and have a look. We're going to be bullish above 293.50. Let's get above this cam right here. Target 295.64. 298, 314, 301.65, 302.38, 304.63, 306.76 is R1. Then we've got 308.88. That's this 3.4 million shares here. Then we've got 311.36 and 315.63 is R2. I stopped there on the upside. On the downside, we're kind of sitting on support here. We've got this 1.3 million share print and the 723K, and then we're sitting right here on my 200 exponential, 200 simple. So we're going to be bearish below 288. Let's get below this. Target 285.02, 700K, 284.42 is a cam, 282.26. Then we've got 277.80, 600K, and then 5 cents below that, 600K. So really this is 1.2 million sitting here. So if we tag this and start moving up, that's a good entry as well. Then below that, we've got 271.40 down here, 266.63, and 265.24 is this 850 15K print. And then below that, we've got 260 and 250. It's just clear sailing below that. All right, those are your 2 trade setups for today. So please like, share, subscribe, do all of that great stuff. And we will see you tomorrow with all new trade setups. Happy trading, everyone. MobyTick has partnered with TrendSpider to bring real-time institutional trades to your charts. Click the link in the description below for more details.